Ever pondered the magic behind the apps on your phone? How about the websites you visit daily? It's all possible thanks to the wonderful world of coding. Imagine coding like learning a new language, a language that lets you communicate with machines. But instead of words and sentences, you use commands and functions. Pretty cool, right? So how does one start this journey, you might ask? Well, it begins with choosing a programming language. Just like human languages, there are many to choose from. Python, JavaScript, C++, Ruby, each with its own strengths and uses. But don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. For beginners, Python is a great starting point. It's easy to learn and incredibly versatile. Now that you've chosen a language, you need a place to write and run your code. This is where integrated development environments or IDEs come in. Think of them as your virtual workspace. Some popular IDEs are PyCharm for Python, Visual Studio Code for JavaScript, and Eclipse for Java. Once you've got your language and your IDE, it's time to start learning the syntax. Syntax is the set of rules that defines the combinations of symbols that are considered to be correctly structured programs in that language. It's like learning the grammar of a new language. Now, this is where practice comes into play. Coding is a skill, and like any skill, it requires practice. Start with simple projects, like a calculator or a to-do list app. As your skills improve, you can move on to more complex projects. Remember, it's okay to get stuck. In fact, it's part of the process. When you encounter a problem you can't solve, don't hesitate to seek help. There are countless online forums and communities where experienced coders are more than willing to lend a hand. So to recap, to start coding, first choose a programming language. Python is a great choice for beginners. Next, find an IDE that suits your chosen language. Then, start learning the syntax. Practice regularly with projects that challenge you, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you're stuck. Coding is a journey, not a destination. It's about problem solving, creativity, and continual learning. So embark on this exciting journey, and who knows, maybe the next big app or website could be yours. Remember, every coder started somewhere. You have the power to create something amazing. All you need is a little patience, a lot of practice, and of course, a passion for solving problems. So, why wait? Start your coding journey today.